Hi guys, this is Hans and welcome back to my channel. On my last video, we talked about how I got the Union Bank Rewards Visa Platinum credit card. In today's video, we're going to dig deeper and learn more of the perks and the benefits of this card. So stay tuned. All right, so let's do a story time for a bit. So, surprisingly, I got this card by a regular postal mail. Hindi ko siya natanggap unlike with my previous ones, even with BPI, yung mga courier like Intrigo or To Go. I got this credit card postal mail. So, a mailman called me, and unfortunately, I wasn't there at that time because he tried to mail it to me or deliver it Friday morning. So I was still in the office. So when I got home, siguro around mga 9 or mga 9 a.m. So natanggap ko siya and binigay sa akin itong napakasimpleng mail ng credit card. I was a bit hesitant at first because I thought, bakit ganito yung pagka-deliver ng second card ko? But anyways, when I got a package, naka-sealed naman, mukhang hindi naman siya nabuksan, and nakita ko na yung ito. Anyways, Union Bank, with this particular card, Union Bank still has an ongoing promotion, a welcome gift promo, which runs from April 1st this year until December 31st of 2024. So ideally, yung card na to guys, yung card na to is meron siyang annual membership fee. And for the primary card, it's 2,500 pesos. And then for secondary members or supplementary members, it's 1,250. Pero, based sa promotion nila, you can have an annual fee, no annual fee forever, as long as you meet the spend requirement, which is 20,000 pesos, either single or accumulated purchase within the promo period. And then mawi-waive na siya forever. So, gaya ng nakwento ko sa inyo on my last video, hindi talaga ito yung card na gusto ko. Pero ang kagandahan sa card nito is that nag-earn siya ng points. So, let's talk about the card benefits. So, with this card, you earn 1 point for every 30 peso spend. So, that's everything. And you get to triple the points when you shop and dine here in the Philippines and abroad. So yun ang kagandahan ng card na to. So if you love shopping and if you love dining outside or eating out with family or friends, then this is the go-to card for you, especially if you also travel abroad. Alright, now with regards to the points that you earn, you can redeem them and convert them to your preferred redemption option. You can convert your points to from cash to credit. You can use the points to pay for the annual membership fee in the event that you're just like me, who's not eligible for the annual fee waiver forever. And as for the rest of the redemption option, I'll just show it to you in a bit. So this card also has a virtual card, which is available on the mobile app or when you go online. Hindi siya physical card, unlike with my China Bank and BPI. So it's a good thing actually. You can just take a screenshot of the virtual card. Make sure that the screenshot is stored somewhere safe for your safety as well. So the virtual card will have a different card number, a different CVV, and most probably identical yung expiration date niya with your physical card. So right now, if you're going to ask me kung gusto ko yung card na to, yes guys, nagugustuhan ko na siya. In fact, ito yung na-mention ko on my previous videos na yung go-to card ko pag sinaswipe. As you can see, may linya na siya, and ito yung ginagamit ko for groceries, especially sa Robinson, Easy Mart. Pero pag tap, syempre, yung China Bank pa din. Pero yan. So, I love the fact that this card earns points, and I love the fact that I have another rewards option, which is aside from miles with my Union Bank Miles Plus Visa Signature, I have this card right now which earns points. So hopefully, sana next time, cashback naman. Another good thing about having a Union Bank credit card is the fact that you have visibility of your credit card transactions, as well as your points, the points you earn. Tsaka guys, yung sa Union Bank kasi, as soon as you swipe and use the card, makikita mo agad yung transaction. Although it's not gonna be posted right away, parang mag-show as pending yung status. Pero kagandahan pa rin is nakikita mo kung magkano talaga yung na-charge sa'yo. And at least you can monitor it. Another good thing about having a Union Bank account credit card is the fact that you can utilize easy features such as Easy Convert and Easy Bill Pay. I'm going to discuss more more information about those two maybe on my next video. But in the meantime, that's another feature of Union Bank. At saka guys, yung mobile app ni Union Bank is very intuitive. Madali lang siyang intindihin. May access ka sa statement mo. May option ka to convert your statement balance or your transaction to either Easy Pay or Easy Convert or Easy Bill Pay. If you need to make some changes with your account, then you can easily create a ticket and they will just do it in their back end and things like that. You can also rearrange the accounts the way you want it to be. Ano yung card na gusto mong nauna, ano yung pangalawa, and such. So yun. And of course, the usual stuff that you get whenever you use your credit card for any transaction, whether you use the card online or in person or in store, you get a text message and an email message confirming that you did use the card in this particular merchant and the amount. So yeah. As for paying your credit card bill, you can easily pay it through the mobile app or online. If you don't have the online app and you don't want to download the mobile app, then you can easily just pay it using other banks online. Like in my case, I tried paying for my balance using my BPI app, mobile app, and nag-work din naman siya. But if you want parang same-day posting ng payment mo, then much better if you use the Union Bank mobile app. So guys, if you find this video interesting, please don't forget to like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel. See you on my next video. Bye for now.